Hi guys, it's Sarah from the Keto Twins. A couple of nights ago, my husband made me this creamy bacon ranch pulled chicken that was using an Instant Pot, and it was so good that we decided to make it again for everybody, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Start off by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. So I have an entire package of bacon cooking in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Take the bacon and put it on a paper towel to get rid of that excess fat. So you're going to want to put half a cup of water at the bottom of your Instant Pot and start layering in your chicken breasts. We're using 4 chicken breasts. It's around 2 pounds. So I'm trying to make sure that the chicken is in one layer at the bottom. And then you're going to take a ranch seasoning packet. You can find these in the grocery store. And sprinkle it all over the chicken. After you're done spreading the ranch, you can go ahead and put your cream cheese in. I've cubed the cream cheese just to help it distribute a little bit easier. Next, we're going to be adding some red chili flake. You can add more if you like it really spicy. And about a tablespoon of Italian herb seasoning. This thing takes forever to grind, so we're going to just fast forward, but it does add a little bit more flavor. The last ingredient is some garlic powder. You could add in real garlic, I guess, if you wanted to, but we just had the powder, so we decided to go with that. And then you're going to be adding 1 large onion, chopped. Finely, kind of. I just did it in chunks. It gets pretty soft anyway. And then you're going to put on the lid and close the valve thingy that's on the top. I'm kind of scared of this, I'll be honest, so I let him do it. I'm still not used to cooking with this yet. And then you're going to be hitting the pressure cook mode. We set it for 18 minutes, and it will take longer than that because it needs to heat up. So this step is kind of important. Be careful when you are releasing the steam. I would not recommend putting your hand over it like my husband is, but he's afraid that the cabinets are going to get ruined, so do not do this. So my husband had to go work on something in the basement, so I had to do this one-handed. I took the chicken breasts out of the Instant Pot and put them on a plate and shredded them with 2 forks. So next you're going to turn on the saute mode on your Instant Pot. Be very careful. Whisking this, it can splash, so do it slowly. I would not advise doing it with one hand, but I was trying to record and mix this. You're trying to incorporate the cream cheese. Next, I added 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and half of the bacon crumbles to the Instant Pot. So keep stirring, try to get everything incorporated, including that cheese, and then add in your shredded chicken. You can break up the extra big chunks in there, but I didn't mind them. You could definitely serve this with cauliflower rice if you wanted to, but we love it just as is. We put some green onion and bacon on top, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Sarah from the Keto Twins. Bye.